Good day traders, this is Master FX Shifu from the Universal Forex Dojo. Let's check out our trade of the week. Now before we do that, check out the Usdchf 2.0.
Automate your entire trade management process with the most advanced tool on the market. Remove emotions, perfect execution, all instruments. Trade the Asian session, London session, and New York session in your sleep. Spend less than 2 hours on charts and allow the Usdchf to trade for you through all sessions. Usdchf 2.0 features auto place, stop orders, auto break even, auto partials, auto trail stop, proprietary auto exit strategy. How it all works. Step 1. Analyze your charts and set up your trade ideas. Step 2. Input your trade setups, entry point, stop loss, and risk. Step 3. Go about your day and let the Usdchf do all the work through all sessions. Summary. The Usdchf will position size for you, auto place stop order, move stop to break even, take partials for you, trail stop, limit max loss for the day. Auto hedge new feature. The Usdchf 2.0 auto hedge mode will hedge every position you take. It will manage the 2 positions using the Dojo proprietary exit mode. The Usdchf will proceed to close the losing position and take profits from the winning position. The Usdchf 2.0 auto hedge mode is set to close at 1.5 R of every position it takes. Take your trading to the next level with the Usdchf 2.0. Get our tool, uniforexdojo.com. info@uniforexdojo.com.
Okay, let's get started. Now we're going to hop onto our Advanced Signals Forex Dojo, look into the Discord channel, and I'll just show you how the setup was when we posted it. It looked something like this. Now before we move forward and you start questioning our stop loss range and so forth, kindly check out our how to take our trades video, and you'll see that we do not use market execution. We don't use limit orders. We wait for price to get into our stop loss range, and then of course we hit our sell stops. So I'm just going to hop on to the video when we started the stream, and then you'll just check out how we got to the setup, and I'll show you how it ended. We've got Jonathan 10, everything is perfect, beautiful. So you want me to look at USD Swiss franc. Okay, let me just remove yesterday's setups and then get a fresh clean chart for the day and take it from there. Do drop your pairs on the side there. You guys know I can only do 4 setups, then we can take it from there. Okay, so we did have this setup yesterday, and literally turned by the entry, and you know we don't really enter trades at the entry. We use stop orders only. We need price to slightly get into the stop loss range before dropping, and until that happens we don't really get into setups. But we do see now there's a beautiful potential sell coming in. This one is still valid, by the way, guys. It's still valid. I think when I did it, I based it off the daily, so we'll still have a bit of room to play around and potentially get a entry into that. Okay, and then we've got on the hourly. Actually, I'm just gonna break it out even further. On the 15, I'm just seeing this now. We've got this region here. Remember guys, when you do the 15, we're looking at high risk setups, so do be careful of those high risk setups. You want to really try and not get wicked out by these. It's a bit too tight, way too tight, but let's see if it does play out in our favor, and if it does, then it'll definitely be a good way to gradually end or get towards our weekend. Okay, there we go. Then we've got the entry point right there. a stop loss right there. This will be a rather very quick one, so if you do see this and you're not live, then do not even consider the setup. And then going back into the hourly. Good morning, Ian Legend. Pleasure's all mine. So let's see if we can get into this one. Use this as Frank here. And then on the hourly, we've got this region here. I'm trying to see if we can actually get a decent move, because it looks like it has gotten to the bottom. But we'll see how that works out. I was looking at this region here. We'll see how that works out. And then we did have a potential. There's a high there, a BOS over here. It's retracing. I highly doubt it will come here, all mitigated there. So for now, I think I'll just focus on this low time frame one and take it from there. And then let's take a look at the 4 hour, see what's happening in the 4 hour. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna stay out of that one. So it's literally just this 15-minute one that we're gonna be looking at on USD Swiss franc. Okay, do drop your other pairs, guys. I need 3 more pairs. Okay, so that's how the analysis went. It was live on our YouTube. Do subscribe. Don't forget to like the video as well. And yeah, so let me just scroll back down and just show you how this trade ended. It actually maxed out at more than 30. It maxed out at 101. But then again, because we usually get out from retracement, so at this point here, we basically got kicked out. So essentially I used this mark here because of the retracements on the lower time frame. But essentially it did max at 103, 101. So it was a very decent setup. And how it worked out, price was, by the time I posted it, price was already outside of our range. It was already at this point here. And then of course sell stops. Everybody just placed their sell stops. And then if you're using the Wushu toolbox, beautiful tool, then it was going to trigger you in and just keep adjusting as you keep going down. And then it will leave the last 25% to scroll down all the way, trailing at 3R. And that's actually how the setup went. On Wednesday, Tuesday actually, we had a gold. No, Wednesday. We had gold hit 20R, and then I think one of the other ones hit 12. It was a pretty decent week. We'll see how next week goes. So that's it for the USD Swiss franc. Do drop a like, do subscribe, do share, and of course check out our bootcamp, check out our signals, and happy trading from Master FX Shifu, guys. Cheers.